Pure translation. It is very simple to understand. In this type of motion, body just simply translates in any one direction. Either it is in x, y or z. Important fact for pure translation motion is that each and every point in pure translation motion have equal velocities at any instant of time between the given points 1 and 2. There's not much to tell about it. Now let's move on to pure rotation. So in pure rotation, object rotates at its own fixed axis. So for being more clearer, look at the diagram. Each particle on the ring, irrespective of their position from the center or radius, they move with a constant angular velocity. Here, velocity changes with the change in radius, but its angular velocity do not. So we have v equal to r omega. An important fact is that it does not translate. Now let's move on to pure rolling. So in pure rolling, it is a combination of both rotation and translation. And the important point to be noted here is that the speed at the point of contact is 0. The point of contact between the surface and the wheel is equal to 0, and the same point of contact is called Vc. And it happens only when the body rotates and translates simultaneously. So let's take an example. Suppose the body is rotating with the angular velocity of 10 radian per second and translates at the 10 meter per second, then the velocity obtained at the point of contact is 0.